We are all set to witness some high-class cricket action. It's a hard pitch. The batsman would be wary of the extra bounce. However, once they settle down, the ball will come nicely onto the bat. Captain wins the toss and is elected to bat first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Shouts of catch it, but nobody will. That's 6 runs. That was a brilliant shot. Perfectly executed. Looks like he enjoys pace on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. Tremendous hit this. That's a crowd catcher. That's a 6. Lovely timing. Ball hitting the sweet spot. Oh, he's clubbed that for a 6. That's a great hit. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. Gorgeous shot. Found the middle of the bat there. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Shot. That's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. That's fiery from the bowler. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match.